Hello everyone, I am Razel I. Salarda. I am currently studying Marinol High School of Asuncion Incorporated, grade 12 students from Humanities and Social Sciences strand. Today I want to share with you something deeply personal, my philosophy in life. Challenges in my life are like unanticipated side trips on my path. Rather than perceiving them as obstacles, my worldview motivates me to confront difficulties head-on. These difficulties aren't intended to impede my development. Rather, they present chances for my personal development. I've learned to handle challenges with resilience and an openness to learning when I'm faced with them. Every challenge becomes an opportunity to grow myself by gaining new knowledge, abilities, and viewpoints. It's about accepting discomfort, realizing the lessons that come with difficulties, and turning them into opportunities for growth on a personal level. Just as a stone in a river gets smooth and refined over time, I believe that navigating life's challenges shapes us, making us stronger and more resilient individuals. I believe that it is a continuous process of adaptation and growth, where each hurdle becomes a stepping stone, propelling us forward in our life journey. Every interaction, from the casual conversation to the profound heart-to-heart, carries the potential for authenticity. My philosophy underscores the importance of being present and fully engaged in these moments. It's about listening with intent, expressing thoughts sincerely, and building connections that go beyond surface-level interactions. In the tapestry of life, these connections add vibrant threads of shared experience, understanding, and support. Through authentic communications, I learned where to use my partial and holistic point of view. Through authentic communications, I know the person's life. It helps me know who truly they are, why they act like this or that, and what stories behind their smiles, faces, and success. Every one of us has different experiences and stories in life. We should be careful of our thoughts and words to others because we don't know what they experience too. We should respect and be holistic to avoid misunderstandings and chaos. I believe in the power of continuous learning. Life is a journey of discovery, and I'm always seeking to expand my knowledge and perspective. It's about staying curious, being open to new ideas, and evolving with each experience. Just as a book has endless pages to explore, I recognize that the learning process is ongoing. Every experience, whether big or small, presents a chance to gain insights, acquire skills, and deepen my understanding of the world. Remaining open to new ideas is like unlocking doors to uncharted territories, fostering a sense of curiosity that fuels personal development. This commitment to continuous learning enriches my life, making each day a chapter in the ever-unfolding narrative of self-discovery and growth. As I grow older, I realize that I should not just stay in my comfort zone, but to go outside and take a risk and do what I think that I cannot do. I believe that in every limitation in our life, there are always other possibilities for us. I am not very good and talented just like others, but I believe that I am different and there is something I do that others cannot do. I am not very good and talented just like the others, but I believe that I am different and there is something I can do that the others cannot do, and I know that I am unique. Don't confine yourself to the comfort of familiarity. Venture outside your comfort zone, challenge yourself, and build the confidence needed to strive for success. Growth and achievement often lie beyond the boundaries of what you already know. Embrace new experiences, face uncertainties, and push your limits, for it is in those moments of challenge that resilience and success are forged. So step outside, embrace discomfort, and let the journey towards success be a testament to your courage and determination.